So today I have an '07 Nissan Frontier. It's a no start. There's no check engine light bulb. There's no communication with the scanner or any scan tool. And I checked all the fuses initially. And now I'm looking at the communication lines. So we want to have just knocked it out. We want to have 2.3 to 2.5 on each of these lines here. This is just what they call a breakout box, so it lets me work on the OBD connector in a large scale. And I switch it to the other side of the low communication line. And we have, one-handed operation. And we have 2.7. So now, what I did was I removed the ECM. When I took the engine control module out, these voltage came up. When I plug the engine control module back in, these go to 0. So something inside the engine control module is shorting the communication line. With the engine control module hooked up, I have no voltage to the sensors. They call it a 5-volt reference. That is lost. So now, after checking all the fuses, powers and grounds on the ECM, it's internally damaged. So what I'm going to do, replace the ECM, program it, and then see what else is going on with this thing.